Hello and welcome to another quick fix. Today we're going to be looking at a Tetris cartridge that isn't registering on the Game Boy. From the beginning on this one I figured it was something more than just dirty contacts. As you can see when I test the cartridge, you get a black bar, which is what you get when there's no game inserted. What you should see, if the contacts are just dirty, is a garbled Nintendo logo. So first here you can see me cleaning up the cartridge contacts with some isopropyl alcohol. Move on to checking all the pins on the chip, see that anything's been lifted off or the solder's degraded. Then I check for any broken traces. Everything's good, no issues so far. So I bought this cartridge from CEX on the weekend, and because they never sell faulty goods, I get to make this video. It would have taken them 2 seconds to check the game to see if it was working. Really don't understand CEX's practices. It's likely the games are so cheap they just don't care. I mean, we've all seen their the discs, right? Here we go, test time. Still a black bar, definitely a major issue as it's not reading the cartridge at all. So here I am testing the resistor. Resistance isn't reading anything, so this is likely our problem. Time to remove the old resistor and replace it. It was really hard to get a hold of with the tweezers. So the resistor was 152 ohms. check the soldering, and test time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more retro fixes.